Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial session. Today we have the rational equation x squared all over 5 is equal to 25 all over x to solve for x. Okay, let's just get straight into our solution. X squared all over 5 is equal to 25 all over x to solve for x. So we have this fractional expression equals to this fractional expression. The first thing to do is to carry out cross multiplication. This x multiplied to that x squared, 5 multiplied to 25. So we have x cubed is equal to, remember 25 is 5 squared. So we have x cubed is equal to 5 cubed. It's better to write it this way so that we can work with indices easily, use the laws of indices easily. Alright? Again, at this point, we should avoid that cheap mistake of saying that we got the powers to be equal, therefore we can equate the base. This is going to give us just one solution. The powers are equal, that's true. We can equate the base, yes, but look at it, it's a cubic expression. It's a cubic equation. A cubic equation must have 3 solutions. So if you do just this, then you have just one of the 3 solutions. Okay? So we should avoid that error. So what do? We just take this one from the right hand side, 5 cubed on the right hand side to the left hand side. So that we have x cubed minus 5 cubed is equal to 0. So we can now see a difference of cubes here. Applying the difference of cubes identity, we end up with x minus 5 into x squared plus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. When we apply the difference of cubes identity, product of two expressions giving us 0, either the first one is 0. If this is the case, it means x equals 5. Okay, the solution that we had earlier, x equals 5. This is just one of the solution. Or x squared plus 5x plus 25 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation will give us 2 solutions. So we're going to get the remaining 2 solutions from here. X squared plus 5x plus 25 equals 0. Let's collect our coefficients. The x squared coefficient is 1, the x coefficient is 5, and the constant is 25. Now let's put it in the quadratic formula. X equals minus b plus minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So x is equal to minus 5 plus minus the root of 5 squared minus 4 into 1 into 25. All of that divided by 2. 2 multiplied to 1. So this is negative 5 plus minus the root of 25 minus 4 times 25 is 100 all over 2. This is going to give us negative 5 plus minus the root of 25 minus 100 is negative 75. Negative 75 all over 2. Let's continue this way. We have negative 5 plus minus the root of negative 75 all over 2. But root negative 75 is the same as root of negative 1 times 75, which is root of negative 1 multiplied to root 75. This is root of negative 1 is I, the imaginary number I. Root 75, we can write 75 as 3 times 25. Okay, this gives us I multiplied to root 3 multiplied to root 25. This gives us I root 3 root 25 is 5. So root negative 75 is I 5 root 3. We can write this as I 5 root 3. It's the same thing. All right, let's put it there in the place of root negative 75. So we have x equals negative 5 plus minus I 5 root 3 all over 2. This gives us the remaining two solutions to our cubic equation. So let's write them out separately. So the first one will be x equals negative 5. We take the plus, and x equals negative 5. We take the minus. Okay, so this gives us the remaining two solutions to our cubic equation.